So my new C54, no C74 even, has arrived today. The exterior box was a little banged up, but happily the internal box is all good. So let's see what's inside. Quite excited for this one. Instructions, charger, accessories, number plate, so this. Okay, some extras are ordered in with it. 2-speed gearbox, so yeah. Naturally pulled out of the box all the way around, but all good. And they've gone with a different box type. Standard style transmitter. So keep the camera steady, doesn't it? And we're free. So, first look. Nice interior. Plenty of nice scale detail. Just a wheel cover, doesn't look like it's got any actual spare wheel. Always the satisfying bit. Okay, so it looks like you might have some sort of removable panel there. tyres are actually quite soft. New style of wheel. 370 motor, single speed. Looks like they're counter-rotating gearbox like what's in the B36-3 and the C54. Suspension feels quite plush. A little bit of flex, I'm sure with some wheel weights will help that drastically. Let's see if I can find a way of opening this bonnet. Okay, we're back. So the power switch is under there. I found the battery compartment. The battery compartment is actually hidden way at the back there. It's the new 4-style plug. Obviously, new laws in China, they have to come with those. So it's not Wpl being awkward, it's just them complying with the Chinese law. So yeah, batteries moved to the back. So yep, no opening doors, no opening bonnet. Well, it kind of looks like it should, but it doesn't. So nice leaf spring suspension. It's nice. I think when that wears in, that'll get a nice bit of flex as well. Okay, so that's where we go. Right. Turn that on. Turn that on. Give that a wiggle. Yep, managed to find any bit of grease on the table. Sure, we go with us. The steering is definitely fast enough. And it's going to have dual rates here, isn't it? There we go. And then probably dual rate for speed. Yeah. So the controls back. Just trim slightly. Yeah, plenty of power there. Let's put it back to electronic low speed. So yeah, let's just change this camera angle and come back. So it's got a reasonable bit of articulation, and I reckon with some wheel weights that would be pretty impressive. So if there's anything you want to know, ask in the comments and I shall do my best to answer. Also, I'm not going to put the accessories on just yet because I do want to paint it. The next one that comes I might leave standard, probably not, but yeah, I'm quite impressed so far. Can't wait to take it out on a trail somewhere. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Trying to grow the channel, so that would all be appreciated.